So today I'm going to be changing the coil packs on my Cupra R. I'm changing these because the other day when I was changing the spark plugs, I noticed that the coil packs had seen better days, and one of them was actually the wrong length. Here's the new red coil packs from Awesome GTI. They're nice and fresh. And compare them to the old ones that I've seen better days. And as you can see, if you can notice any difference, this one's actually the wrong size. It's too long.
So the coil packs are really easy to fit. To remove the old one, all you need to do is pop off the electrical connector and then pull the coil pack out of the hole. And to fit the new one, it's just the opposite of this. We'll push the connector down into the hole and then we'll click on the electrical connector.
And that's them all in position. Literally took 2 minutes to just press them in. They do look a lot better, and hopefully they perform better as well. So I just need to put a few of these other bits and bobs here, screw them back down, put them back into place. That's it, all back together now. You can see the new coil packs in there, and all the other bits and pieces are back where they should be. Like I say, I just need to order a new vacuum hose to tidy that up because the blue just looks daft. Let's start it up now and see what it's like. That's it. Job well done. It's running really well. Thanks for watching.